Hello, welcome. We are going to be having our quiz again, our Jamb past question quiz. Please click on the subscribe button on this side so that you'll be the first to get this quiz whenever they drop. We're starting with English language, and the number one question goes: in this question, the word in capital letters has the emphatic stress. Choose the option to which the given sentence relates. Bukola's uncle is a strict teacher. A. Is Bukola's uncle a strict teacher? B. Is Bukola's uncle an easygoing teacher? C. Is Bukola's aunt a strict teacher? D. Is Tunde's uncle a strict teacher? In this question, the word in capital letters has an emphatic stress. Choose the option which the given sentence relates. She put the spoon on the chair. A. Did she put the spoon on the chair? B. Who took the spoon on the chair? C. Did she put the fork on the chair? D. Who put the spoon on the chair? In this question, the word in capital letters has the emphatic stress. Choose the option to which the given sentence relates. David went home yesterday. A. Has David gone home? Has David gone? B. Did David go home today? C. Is David at home? D. Where is David? Mathematics. A square tile has size 30 cm. How many of these tiles will cover a rectangular floor of length 7.2 meters and width 4.2 meters? A. 720. B. 576. C. 336. 4. D. 420. A cylindrical tank has capacity of 6,160 meters squared. What is the depth of the tank if the radius of its base is 28 meters? I is equal to 22 or 7. A. 5.0 meters. B. 2.5 meters. C. 8.0 meters. D. 7.5 meters. A chord of a circle subtends an angle of 120 degrees at the center of diameter 4 of radian. Calculate the area of the major sector. A. 32 pi centimeter square. B. 16 pi centimeter square. C. 8 pi centimeter square. D. 4 pi centimeter square. Biology. The association between a moral fish and a shark is: A. Parasitism. B. Amensalism. C. Commensalism. D. Mutualism. Use the diagram below to answer question that follows. Which of the following is true of the interaction? A. P. arella is better adapted for obtaining food than P. caudatum. B. Both organisms cannot coexist. C. P. caudatum is better adapted for obtaining food than P. arella. D. Both organisms cannot reproduce. In nature, animals are against mutualism because A. The temperatures of each other. B. All animals rely on co-production. C. They are rebels. D. Neighbors. Chemistry. Rate of correction usually exists with conjunct because A. Return high kinds and B. Friend of learned patterns. C. Than to react beings. B. The advantage of that. Z in diagram represents A. Free energy. B. Activation energy. C. Heat of reaction. D. Entropy of reaction. In the diagram above, the activation energy of the catalyzed reaction is A. 250 kilojoule. B. 200 kilojoule. C. 100 kilojoule. D. 300 kilojoule. Physics. A radioactive isotope has a decay constant of 10 to the power minus 5 per time. Calculate its average life. It's 9.5. It's 9.10. It's 0.10. D 6.34. The particle nature of light is demonstrated by the A. Colors of light, B. Diffraction of light, C. Photoelectric effect, D. Speed of light. Economics. A valid explanation for real wage growth is A. An increase in the quantity of labor, B. The rising cost of capital accumulation, C. An increase in the rate of productivity growth, D. A contraction of employment in service industries. Structural unemployment is mainly caused by A. Change in business, big total, season version, government. Public opinion acts as a guide to the A. Government, B. Mass media, C. Public, D. President. Election can be used to measure the effectiveness of A. Public opinion, B. Pressure groups, C. Political opinion, D. Political propaganda. Which of the following is not a dimension of public opinion? A. Orientation, B. Polling, C. Intensity, D. Substance. Account. The Public Audit Committee, D. External Audit Committee. The channel through which all government borrowing and domestic lending transactions pass is called A. National Loan Fund, B. Special Trust Fund, C. Contingency Fund, D. Agency Fund. One of the major differences between government accounting and commercial accounting is that the former uses a profit and loss account while the latter uses income and expenditure account. B. Accounting ethics while the latter uses cost. Expression is A. Technology, B. Product, C. Rivalry, D. Supply. The social responsibility factor of an organization is geared towards A. Operating without disrupting the very essence of the environment, B. Contributing to the substance and development of its host community, C. Tackling the socio-economic problems of the state, D. Meeting the needs and demands of the shareholders. The provision of quality and safe products which guarantee the health of consumers is an example of A. Civic responsibility, B. Quality control, C. Social responsibility, D. Price control. CRK. The book of the law was found by A. Shaphan, the son of Ezilah, B. King Josiah, C. Hilkiah the priest, D. Adaiah of Boskath. You have nothing to do with us in building a house to our God. This statement above, made by Zerubbabel and others, resulted in A. The people disobeying King Cyrus' orders, B. Inciting the Judeans against their leader, C. The delay in building the temple, D. The people rising against their leader. Behold, this has touched your lips. Your guilt is taken away and your sin forgiven. The statement above, during Isaiah's call, shows A. God's ability to identify sinful people, B. That God adequately equips his messengers, C. That God will only use sinners to glorify him, D. God's willingness to physically take away sin. Agriculture. Which of the following statements is a disadvantage of human power? It A. Is easily available and controlled, B. Has low output, C. Controls other sources of farm power, D. Brings about least damage. The instrument which enables a surveyor to find the direction of a baseline is A. Plumb bob, B. Ranging pole, C. Abney level, D. Magnetic compass. The use of animal traction is limited in the forest zones of West Africa because of the A. High amount of rainfall, B. Topography of the forest land, C. Culture of the people, D. Presence of saxiflies. Literature in English. Facets. The street lord in the novel is A. Uncle, B. Macho, C. Bakbo, D. Poison. Faceless. Sodom and Gomorrah gets its name as a result of A. The population, B. Insecurity, C. The location, D. Vices. I wear a live python round my shoulders with no fear of danger, like a pretty ornament on. The speaker in the excerpt above can be described as A. Courageous, B. A snake charmer, C. Superstitious, D. A lover of snake. Geography. The area marked FE is A. A spur, B. A cliff, C. A valley, and D. An iceberg. So those are the options. D is iceberg. This is FE. So what is FE?